Hiya, so welcome to December's tour of the plot. I've not done a tour for a while, so apologise for that, but yeah, it's December, it's quite chilly, quite festive, so I'm going to start at the back. So this was the wildlife area. These were strawberries in here, which I've taken them all out now. Basically I want all wildflowers in here, and then at the back there, wildflowers again, just make this place all crazy and full of insects, bees, etc. So yeah, clean the pond out. So that is my pond, and there's loads of frog houses at the back. So hopefully again I'll get some tadpoles early spring. So this is the asparagus patch. So I've just given it a mulch of homemade compost, which you can just see there on the top. And then here is my sandfire, so it's all died back. This stuff's not quite ready yet, it's still not dried out, but this is. So I've just been crumbling the seeds on top of this new compost, and then in early February I should get the seedlings just popping up. So you don't have to cover the seeds at all, just lie them on the top of the compost and they'll germinate. They do need a bit of cold to germinate. So this is normally the kids patch. Kids are pretty too old now and not really interested, so I've reclaimed it. So not too sure what I'm going to be doing in here. Possibly cucumbers, not too sure yet, but I've dug it, I've mulched it. I did put some green manure around the sides, but it's all died back. What was it? Buckwheat, yeah, so buckwheat was killed in the frost, so yeah, strawberries there. So this was the old potato patch last year, or this year, sorry. I've put green manure, Phacelia, on it. This was the old onion patch, still got some leeks in there, but all this strip's going to be sweet corn, so it's going to be one variety, which is incredible. Really pleased with that this year. So I've got loads of seeds, so all that's going to be sweet corn. I'm not going to grow potatoes this year, I don't need to. I only grow potatoes to try and break up the clay. So, and then I've got all this bit here. So this is my brassica patch. Still got the sprouts and kale and some broccoli in there. So that'll just get moved down here. Yeah, I got some green manure going on. I did sow some field beans all around this area and none of it's popped up, so I don't know what's going on there. I've still got a few packets of field beans, but I don't know, they just didn't germinate. Maybe when I sowed it was too cold, I don't know. But still got some carrots there at the end, which I'll harvest at the end of the year. So this front bit was where the beans and sweet corn were this year. So onions are going to be here, so I'm just going to move that onion raised bed to here so I can get the covering on. Obviously I'll suffer with leaf miner here, which is why I've got the garlic there covered as well. So yeah, onions are going to be there. Flower bed as usual. I've just brought some compost down to mulch it. So I've got to squeeze in tomatoes somewhere. What do I normally have? Peas and beans. Yeah, I think I'm going to go easy on the runner beans and green beans this year, and concentrate on peas and sweet corn because they obviously freeze the best. And carrots again as well. Carrots normally follow the garlic, so when I dig the garlic out in July I'll sow the autumn king, and I'll get some early varieties at home. So yeah, I think that's it. So we go. I do prefer winter actually. I just like planning and digging as well. So yeah, there's no dig beds. I have tried it. I don't like it. I prefer digging and incorporating well rotted manure or compost into the soil. I just get much better quality veg, and the soil's a lot better as well. That's just me personally. So yeah, there we go. So that's the end of December's plot tour. Like and subscribe, and give me any comments that you want. Cheers, bye.